Hello, I'm Kathy with the Enchanted Quilt, and welcome to our Friday afternoon inventory unboxing. As you can see, we've got quite a pile here to open. So let's get started. Oh, lots of socks. All sorts of new socks that we haven't had before. I think they're new. Okay, this is dogs. These are Laurel Birch. If you're not familiar with Laurel Birch, she likes funky designs and bright colors. Okay, and this is kitty cats. Looking in, see if I can turn it that way. Looking in the fish bowl. There's some cats. We've had those before, I think. And then here's one with just little paw prints. And this one is a purple cat with flowers on it. And this one is butterflies. I know we've had butterflies in the past. I don't know if it was this one. They had several over time. Okay, this is a new ruler that we've not had before. It's called Bind Up Cut Right Tool. It's a way to help you finish your binding. We've replenished our pineapple trim tool. That's the big one. And there's the mini one. The big one makes 6, 8, and 10-inch blocks, and the small one makes 4, 5, and 6-inch finished blocks. And if you haven't been in to see, we do have a quilt that we use this ruler to make up, and it turned out very, very, very nice. Just to announce, we did our drawing for our Valentine box. It was valued over $150. Meryl from Seymour won. I've already called her. Okay, we got some more of the feathers pattern. We have 2 samples of that made up front. And we got the layer cakes for strawberry jam in. This is from Corey Yoder. And the peaches and greens and yellows, and this is just a beautiful line. I think we've got a pattern that we're going to make out of this. But I don't think the pattern's out yet. Got some My Neighbor's apron in. This is a wonderful apron pattern. It does not tie behind the neck, and it covers you front and back, and I think it's one of my favorite aprons. Okay, add a quarter ruler. This is the 12-inch one. We got some glue pens in. This is the Soline glue pens. We got some more Marty fusible tape. It's 1 inch wide. It has 30 yards on a roll, and this is great if you have several pieces of batting and you want to piece it together so you don't waste it. So it's large enough. You just press that on. It holds it together. We got some of the more of the mini inserts that actually go in those mini boxes. Here we got some more of the bunny patterns in from the pattern basket. We got Florence the Flamingo from Elizabeth Hartman, and Dwight the Deer. We were out of those. And we got some more of the panel play. This is a great book if you have some panels and don't know what to do with it, and that's a really helpful book. And then we have the Quick and Easy Block Tool. This is a great book that has a spiral bound, and it has I don't know how many different blocks in all the various sizes, and tells you how much to cut of what. Okay, last week I remember we got in some ruler safes. We got the purples and the blue, and this week we got the pink one in. It's really, really pretty, and it's metallic. Open it in case you haven't seen it. has this foam core in here so that you don't have to worry about them getting broken. It has a Velcro strap to strap them down. I want to say they hold, like if you're going to a class or something, I believe they hold about 10, and you can, it's up to 24 inches long. So, let's see if I can get it back in here. So now we have them in pink, blue, and that really pretty purple. Set this down. Looks like some more rulers. We have the 6-inch basic range ruler, and what that means is it does not have eighths in it. So it's a pretty basic ruler, and it's much easier to read if you're working on something that you don't need all those little eighth marks. And then we've got some Stripology rulers. This is a wonderful ruler for cutting strips in various sizes. Okay, let's see. This box rattles. Look at this. Okay. All right, those little mini inserts I showed you a bit ago. These have been ordered for a while. I think this must be the in color because we can't keep it. These had been back ordered and they just came in. So now we have the turquoise mini storage things. Let me see if I can take one out and show you what it looks like if you haven't seen it. It opens up and the bottom folds down, and then you've got these little mesh pockets on the side. It's great for carrying your stuff, put your stuff in. And then those little mini inserts have like little sections that you drop that down in there, and it creates 4 different sections for you. And we've got these in red and a red polka dot. Okay, we've got the air erasable Clover markers. We got the 8.5-inch woolly felted mats. The other ones are still back ordered. We have not gotten those in. I think we might have one over there. I'm not sure what size though, but we have some more on order. This is the 12-inch rotating mat from Olfa. Okay, what next? Box. This must be fabric. This is so cute. Alright, we've got dogs in these bright colors on a black background. They are just really, really, really cute. And then this is some dog sayings. It says, I love my dog. Best days. I just love my dog so much. Best friend. Wow. My dog is cool. My dog is my life. So that sort of goes with those. And then of course we couldn't let the cats out. We had to get cats too. So here's the kitty cats. And then the same thing, the same verbiage and so on for. See, this one says, cats are for real. I love my cat, and my cat loves me. Meow means now. Let's see. Cat power. So that's really a cute piece. And then we had people asking for cactus fabric. So I aim to please, so here is a bolt of cactus fabric. This is fabric too. right, we're just replenishing some basics that we had. This is a white. I doubt if you're going to be able to see it, but it has little swirls on it. It's very popular. And then we had some red Moda Marble that we were out of, and it is called Christmas Red. So let's move some of this out of the way now. Okay. All right, we got in, this is another Creative Grid ruler. This is called a 90-degree double strip ruler. This enables you to lay down a strip of fabric and cut and end up with half square triangles. Then this book goes with it. It's called Strip Smart Quilts 2, and there's a lot of really pretty quilts in here. See, there's a chevron. That's a nice book. So that goes with that. All right, now we've got some more of these cuddle kits in, and this one has roses and like Paris theme, so it's navy blue and red. But Lisa finished one last Friday. Let me move this box. And she did it all in one day. And I know a lot of people are afraid to work with it. It's not difficult. There are some little tips and tricks, and all my boxes just fell. There is some little tips and tricks. But anyway, I got to show you this. This is absolutely gorgeous. And it's kind of chilly out. I kind of want to cuddle up in it. But here is the front of it. It's pretty short, but hopefully you can see it. This one is, I think it's 58 by 60 something is how big I think these are. But anyway, she did this in one day here at the shop, so it didn't take long. And we've got some more of those kits. And we got a new one in. This is gray and kind of purples. So it's real, and this gray is kind of it's minky, but it's a thicker minky, kind of a swirl. I don't know if you can see that, kind of like a fur almost. And I'll turn it around here, and maybe my videographer can get a zoom in on that picture. Maybe you can see it a little bit better. So now we've got them in two colors. And we also put minky on the back of this one that Lisa did. We put a navy blue on the back. All right. Okay, we got we are replacing our blue uncorked, and then we got the rest of the line. So this is going to finish up the rest of the line, and I think I'm going to have to move this. Okay, there's the blue, an orange. This is kind of a peachy or pinky salmony color, a blue, a yellow, and then kind of like a turquoisey kind of color. So now that finishes, we've been working on trying to get the entire line, and that finishes the line right there. Okay, now right behind me is a pattern. It's called Hugs and Kisses. We got it in not too long ago, and one of my sample makers, Chris, made this. She did an outstanding job on it. She even mitered her border and was able to line up her stripes on that border. So I was pretty impressed with that. She does great work. This is made with 5 1-yard cuts of fabric. And if you watch our episodes every Friday, you'll notice that we had gotten this fabric in, just a few weeks ago. And it was a whole line that came out. We got 5 bolts in, and she finished that, and it makes a really nice quilt. And it's 64 by 64. So it turned out really pretty. Okay. Miss Quilty is videotaping because we're shy one person today. Lisa, poor Lisa's sick again. She's got some sort of respiratory crud that she's had numerous times now. We told her we didn't want to share it with her, so she stayed home. These are sticking together. Okay. Jamie Holder, you are the winner of our $10 gift certificate this week. I will pop it into mail to you on Monday. And that's all we have for this week. Till next time, see ya.